Hi guys, this is my new YouTube channel where I'll be speaking for the first time for Pokemon Go here. I'll be playing the Premier Cup of the Go Battle League today. Of the Ultra League. So I'll be using 3 starter Pokemons, Venusaur, Charizard and Empoleon. I'll be showing the stats in the side of the screen so you guys could check it out, the IVs and all. So let's start the first match. So we are up against a Venusaur. It's right now a mirror match. So I'll be going for a Sludge Bomb right here, but they get to a Sludge Bomb. So I'll just let it go. It does a good neutral damage. So I get to a Sludge Bomb. So I'll be throwing it. So they shield the Sludge Bomb. So I'll be going for another Sludge Bomb, and this time I get it. So I'll be going for another Sludge Bomb. I don't think so he'll shield, and he does not shield it. So I shielded. I thought I would reach the next Sludge Bomb faster than him, but I was wrong. So that shield was gone for a waste. So I bring in my Charizard, form a lot of energy, but they get to a Sludge Bomb here, and I don't shield it and just let it go. It does a good neutral damage. So the Venusaur goes down. Another Charizard comes. Mirror match. I have a Blast Burn ready. So I throw the Blast Burn on Charizard. They shield the Blast Burn. I have another Blast Burn almost ready, but I don't want to put my shield into this. So I just farm the Charizard down with Empoleon. I shield this because I thought it would be a Blast Burn, but it was a Dragon Claw. Nice baiting by the opponent. So it's a Gengar. So Gengar can gain a lot of energy, but it's very squishy in the Ultra League. So one Hydro Cannon would take it out almost. Then Waterfall would do a lot of damage. So the next match. So the next match will be against the Togekiss at the start. So both would do registered damage to each other. I go for a Sludge Bomb because that is super effective. Excavalier comes. I gain a lot of energy, then I change into Charizard. It might be Mega Horn. Mega Horn does a good amount of registered damage to Charizard, so I just shield it up. I go for a Dragon Claw here. I thought I would get the shield, or I would just farm it down. And there's a Snorlax at the back. So I'm thinking is to go for back-to-back Blast Burns here. I go for a first Blast Burn here. Does a good amount of damage, but they shield the first one. I go for a second one, but there's a little bit of lag there. I could have reached first, but I shield the Body Slam, get to a Blast Burn here. They don't have any shields left, so it brings it to it. I switch and I go for a Frenzy Plant. It will take it out. So now the Togekiss comes in. Togekiss will be going for a Aerial Ace, so will be taking out my Venusaur here. Empoleon in. Waterfall does a lot of damage, and I go for a Hydro Cannon, and it's game over. So we win this match too. We are up against Aboma Snow. The Powder Snow damage would be doing a lot because super effective. I would be just doing registered damage. They have a Weather Ball, which is a Snow type Weather Ball, so I bring in my Charizard and they bring in Gengar. It's not so bad a situation, but Gengar can get to his charge move pretty fast. So they're gaining up in lot of energy, which is very dangerous for us. So to we get to a dragon claw here. We got both the shields. I do shield a first one, thought it was a shadow ball, but they actually go for two back-to-back shadow punches, which is very bad. But she lost there. So I bring in my Venusaur. I have a lot of loaded energy. Shadow punch comes in. So I just thought to put the frenzy plant in, then it switched pretty fast. Weather ball snow type would take us out. Then Empoleon comes. Both does register damage, but they get to a energy ball quicker. They do a lot of neutral damage to us. I gain a little bit more energy, go for a drill peck. Then I go for another drill peck. It's a fighter, so it's game over. That's a good amount of damage, but it takes us out and we lost that match. Now we are up against a Gyarados, which is good for us because we can do neutral damage to it, and Gyarados is not so a tanky Pokemon. We can take it out easily, and it has waterfall, so it's pretty good for us. So we go for two frenzy plants back to back after the Aqua Tail which Gyarados threw to us. So the second one does a lot of we take out a Gyarados, and there's a Snorlax. Here comes a Snorlax. We go for a frenzy plant, does at least 40% of the damage. We almost got to the frenzy plant, but we couldn't trigger it. So we come with the Empoleon. I thought it was a superpower or a Earthquake, so I just shielded it. This might have been a superpower if they had, but it was just a body slam. So they switch and they bring back and they go for the Venusaur. So I bring in my Charizard, and it is a Razor Leaf one, so it would gain energy very slow. So I just farm it down totally and go in for two back-to-back Blast Burns for the Snorlax. First one gets the shield and second one takes out Snorlax, and we win that match. So we are up against a Zangoose. It has Shadow Claw and Night Slash, and Zangoose can gain a lot of energy very fast, very quickly. So I shield the first one, which I should have not shielded, because in case if it get the attack boost could have been a big problem for us. I go for Frenzy Plant, get shielded. They go for Night Slash. I don't shield. I go for Frenzy Plant again, and they shielded it, so they go for a Night Slash. So I shielded it here, the Night Slash, and they switched out and I go for a Sludge Bomb there. Might have been a mistake, could have just stayed and gone for Charizard, but now I can just farm the Venusaur down. The Sludge Bomb would come and hit me. I was scared for second Sludge Bomb to come and hit me, but I just farm it down. Oh no, I just go for a Dragon Claw here. I was a bit scared. So the Zangoose comes in. I had a Dragon Claw but couldn't use it. Night Slash comes and it got an attack boost. But I farm it down with Empoleon, and a fighter Pokemon comes in. So it's game over. Obstagoon doing a lot of damage. Cross Chop coming in. It will take out my Empoleon. Then Venusaur does not have a lot of energy left, so we'll be going down to a cross top by the Obstagoon and we lost this match. It was a good match. We go 3-2 in this set. This is my first video where I'm talking in my channel. I'll be posting many videos like this in upcoming days. So with different Pokemons showing to you guys. So please like, share, subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next video. Bye.